I wanted to add some coziness to our living room, so I decided to make a slipcover for an ottoman that we were using in our mudroom and move it to our living room. I had some green linen fabric that I had cut for this project several months ago. Even though I love to make things for our home, making a slipcover for a couch is a time-consuming job. So on a whim, I ordered a slipcover for our IKEA couch. It's also a darker color, which will go really nicely with the green and make our living room really cozy for the fall and winter. I wanted this piece to have a casual, flowy look, so I'm pinching the fabric to create pleats randomly along the side pieces before sandwiching the top and side pieces together with pins. I'm allowing the seam to fall a couple of inches down from the top of the ottoman to give it a slouchy look. I'm pinning the corners on an angle to give it a flowy feel. Because I made the pieces larger to allow for gathering pleats, there was some excess fabric to trim off. For the corners, I pin the top piece to each of the side pieces until they meet, and then I pin the side pieces together, making sure there isn't a hole at that point. I'm removing it carefully so that the pins stay in place. First, I'm sewing around the perimeter of the top and then down the sides at each corner. As I sew along, I just remove each pin as I go. Adjusting the slipcover so it's even on all sides before I pin the bottom. I'm happy with how the pleats have been gathered in a casual way. I'm folding the fabric once and pinning it to leave a bit extra so it will puddle onto the floor. Once I get it to the machine, I can fold it twice to do a proper hem. I used a similar technique to make bed skirts for our girls' room by sewing a skirt onto some white twin bed skirts. This made it easy because I didn't have to come up with a pattern. I just added the fabric to bed skirts already fitted to a twin-size bed. I wanted to add some color to our neutral living room to make it cozy for the fall. I like the warmth of this brown slipcover and also how it hides the dirt. first I wanted to see how the ottoman would look in our great room. I think it will look great here for Christmas. And here's how it looks in the living room with decorations. I love the casual, cozy look and how well it goes with the new slipcover. The kids immediately wanted to play on it, so I removed the decorations for real-life use. It will also come in handy for somewhere to sit. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope that this gives you some inspiration to try something new at home.